That's gone. I don't wanna. Fucking fuel pump right there. Disconnect. Well, I don't know how detailed this little thing. I just figured I'd film this because it's kind of cool, but like also kind of aids, because this was fine. This was built in another country, and I believe through what I have experienced, my non-expert diag, I think the flywheel is loose. So you already know what that means. 86 fucking Porsche 911. Engine's got to come out, training's got to come out, and I've not done this before, but we're gonna sort it out, boys. That'll probably be enough. Got all the fucking finest Harbor Freight sockets, dude. Get this fucking pull going. Sway bar first. Got most of this taken apart. Just kind of scanning it. Seems pretty straightforward. I kind of stopped with the step-by-steps. So now it just should be these here, which I just put on, which is super annoying. And is that the right size triple square? Yeah, it is. Go ahead. You can't really tell, but it's bent. Oh boy, what do we got going on here, dude? Well, that looks slightly less gross. Definitely still gross. Needs paint and needs more cleaning, but at least the fucking gunk is off of it. But there's the old 5.3, dude. Fucking there's the AR5. Bill housing's got to go. I ordered the adapter kit for that. Out here on the lunch break, dude, at the McDarrell's, dude, with the porch and getting it going. I think it's pretty sorted, though. I'm gonna take it on an hour-long drive after this. I gotta put a little bit more oil in it. Other than that, dude, she's fucking going good. we're going. I'm not spotting, bro. You better fucking put that up. Come on, lift. Push. 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 Good shit. You went for 2. I didn't think you were gonna go for 2.
Hi, Queen. I need eye Queen.
Most shit company. Never order from these fucking dickheads, dude. Got the freaking training going here. Fuck Fab bot Fab, dude.
You're so cool.
I think I'm good. No, I need to put the mounts on.
What we gonna get for food?
Black Kyle's place, probably.
What?
Ish, dude. Fucking, it's in there, ish. Hell yeah, dude. Ish. Thanks. Thanks for helping me. Thanks for putting my head, my headlight in.
You're welcome. You already had said that.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh, well, thanks again, though. You're gonna make it fucking fall, dude.
It's on tires.
No.
It's on tires.
Victim number 1, dude. Holy. Fucking, this guy's facing the wrong way, dude. Holy. Fucking, how'd you get over there, dude? Spenk. How'd you get over there, dude? Fucking, how'd you get over there, right? Hell yeah, brother.
Bubr, kurwa! Ja pierdolę, jakie bydle! Bober!
Oh, I don't like it, dude. Fucking. If I can unrack it, I'm fucking going for it.